How to redeem promo codes on Marvel Strike Force. The first things first, of course, you should have an account. Now, you can pull up or open up any preferred browser that you want, and once you have accessed your browser, just go directly to your search bar. And for you to be able to access this website right here, the Marvel Strike Force, just go directly to api.marvelstrikeforce.com. So once you tap on this one, all I have to do is you'll be redirected to the Marvel Strike Force homepage. Just click on logged in. Now, if you don't have an account yet, let's go ahead and try to log in with Scopely. Simply click on login with Scopely. And once you're here, all I have to do is just enter your email address and hit on continue. Now just check this send me offers and game updates from Scopely and its affiliates and go to agree and get sign up link. From here, you'll have to create another tab and then go to your Google Mail. Now there's gonna be a link that will be sent out to you from Marvel's Strike Force. All you have to do is to just simply verify it by clicking on Create Scopely account. Now once everything is success, just go back to the main page from Marvel Strike Force and reload the page. Now once you have successfully logged in, if this is the first time that you have registered your account with Strikeforce, the Strikeforce Marvel is going to be asking you for a certain code. Now, if you already have a redeem code, that's where you will input that code and just simply click on redeem or claim gift. So that's it. That's how you redeem a code on Marvel Strike Force.